I've mentioned in videos before that I am involved in making application to Goldman Sachs to participate in a program that they call 10,000 Small Businesses. This is a program, as I understand it, in which they will put on a 3-month course, and if I am chosen, I will participate with probably 9 to 10 other businesses to learn how to grow our business. It starts with an orientation for over 3 days. I'm assuming that will probably be in New York, and that will start September the 4th through the 6th. Then it will go to a online course over the next several months. The first one, September the 9th, Growth and Orientation, followed by the 16th, Financial Statements and Workshop. On September the 23rd, Money and Metrics. On the 7th, You Are the Leader. On the 14th, it's the People. On the 21st, Marketing. That's October the 21st, Marketing and Selling. October the 28th, Operations and Procedures. November the 4th, Being Bankable. And then Action for Growth. And that's, again, a in-person November the 19th through the 22nd. And again, I think that will be in New York. So as a result of that, and in anticipation and preparation for the call on July the 25th, I decided to put together a 2024 business plan. And in that business plan, it had a section called Products and Services. And I had never thought of it this way, but what is the product and what is the service that I am selling? And so I want to share with you exactly what I wrote into that section, because I think it will give you some insight as to what Best of Us Investors is all about today and what it strives to be in the future. And then I hope you can ascertain, could this be of benefit to you, and is it something that you want to get involved in and grow along with us? So let me share with you our product and services as I am describing it to Goldman Sachs for application to participate in their 10,000 Small Business course.
Product/service description. Best of Us Investors has developed an advanced algorithm that evaluates stocks and predicts future prices based on historical revenue and earnings performance, as well as future projections. This algorithm integrates real-time data from daily news, articles, and press releases to continually adjust our price predictions. Currently, we utilize this algorithm to monitor and predict the performance of 39 stocks. With the implementation of our AI Factory, a sophisticated computer and software system driven by data and artificial intelligence, Best of Us Investors will be able to extend this analysis to over 6,500 stocks available on the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, and over-the-counter markets. Our platform subscribers benefit from these predictions through a subscription service available for a monthly fee. In addition to our 3-year investment platform, we have developed a swing trading platform that educates our members on short-term swing trading strategies. This platform provides weekly stock trading considerations based on technical analysis. This service will also be enhanced with the addition of our AI Factory.
So I have two things coming together here. One, the negotiations that I'm doing with Dell Computer to buy an AI factory, which I believe will take me into a whole new area, stock analysis, and separate me from most of the stock analysts, other than those probably at hedge funds who already have access to this data and have their own algorithm and have their own computers that do the analysis and then also do millisecond trading. So I feel I'm moving into a new area, and though that excites me. And then with the opportunity to possibly get exposed to the talent from a company of the size of Goldman Sachs, and then possibly even, I don't know where that could lead. So this is really interesting. As luck would have it, I'm also reading a new book, and it is called They Ask, You Answer. It is a phenomenal book. It's all about incoming marketing. That is, you put information out and to answer questions that people have. And let's face it, that is the biggest use we have of our phones and our Google search and Bing search. We ask questions. The internet gives us answers. Well, if you know what the questions are in your field of business, well, then all you have to do is put the answers out there. On your web page, the questioner will find his way to your web page, learn more about your business, and as a result, your business grows. What this process of putting a business plan together and reading the book and making videos on a daily basis, the book really brought into focus what exactly I am and what I want to be. And you might have seen it on the top of my business plan. I am a teacher, answering questions with thoughtful content. Through social media, I communicate with anyone seeking knowledge. My voice resonates across the internet, creating content that endures. I will live forever through my contributions. That sums up what I'm trying to do, what I'm trying to offer. And then I think the beauty of it, the exciting part of it for me, is then I become aware by watching a video with Jensen Huang and Michael Dell talking about how I can purchase a computer, a server that can access all the data available and then also access all the information that I have and I want to seek to help my tribe become more knowledgeable investors. And I can take the algorithm that I've created to give me projections on the 39 stocks that are involved in semiconductors and artificial intelligence, and take that knowledge, pump it into a AI factory run by Samantha, and I can do it for all 6,500 stocks in the world because she knows how to organize things. I know how to ask questions. And between the two of us, we can change the world. We can give you knowledge that you did not have access to. We can answer your questions so that you have knowledgeable answers. That's what artificial intelligence is all about. Then when we get into generative artificial intelligence, Samantha will start asking me questions as to where do I want to go next? What more do I want to offer? What other areas might we venture into within the stock market, within investing, to help our tribe become better investors, learn from all the knowledge in the world, and with two guides, Kerry, who's asking questions that you're asking him, and then Samantha, who has all the knowledge in the world, we can do anything we choose to. We can achieve things that were unimaginable. We can take that ridiculous Roth IRA that I considered, that I told you, if you could get a 75% average rate of return on your stocks over the next 20 years, you'd have $1 billion Roth IRA, over $1 billion. Is that possible? Of course it's possible, because there are stocks that give you, in any given year, a annual rate of return in excess of 75%. NVIDIA did it this year already. Supermicro has done it. Vertiv has done it. It's there. All we have to do is reach out and take it. And that can be achieved by what I'm trying to build. I know it's hard to digest, and I know it's hard to believe that that could happen. So what I want to do, I'm not totally there yet, but I do have the groundwork laid. I have picked some moonshot stocks that are up 20, 30, 40% in the last 4 months. Are they on their way to 75, 110? Yes, because we've done the analysis on a very directed 39 stocks. But once we get Samantha, and we can do it on 6,500, is there any doubt in your mind that we couldn't find enough to fill your Roth IRA on an annual basis to achieve $1 billion Roth IRA. It's just there for the taking if you know the questions to ask and where to find the answers. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor. I'd like to help you I'd like to help you exceed your greatest expectations in the world of investing. Come join us. Let's meet this Friday on our Stock Talk.